How to fix Snapchat c14a error on your Snapchat. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to solve and fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open the settings of your phone. Then you will search for apps or applications. You will find all the applications that you have in your phone. Now you will just search for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat, just open it. And be careful here, click on storage, go to clear data, click on it and click OK, then back again and click on force stop. And when you finish, you will back to Play Store and click update Snapchat again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.